Mastering the art of cooking phrases. Stir continuously, explained. Hello, language enthusiasts and budding chefs. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the culinary world. Stir continuously. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary but also about enhancing your cooking skills. So, let's unravel the meaning behind these words and learn how to apply them in the kitchen. Firstly, let's break down the term stir. To stir means to move a spoon or other implement around in a liquid or other substance to mix it thoroughly. In cooking, stirring is essential for combining ingredients, preventing food from sticking to the bottom of the pan, and ensuring even cooking. It's a basic but crucial technique in many recipes. Now, let's focus on continuously. This term implies an unbroken, consistent action without pauses. When a recipe instructs you to stir continuously, it means you should keep the spoon moving in the mixture without stopping. This is often required in sensitive dishes where ingredients can easily stick, burn, or cook unevenly if not constantly attended to. You might wonder why some recipes emphasize stir continuously, while others do not. This instruction is particularly common in recipes involving thick sauces, custards, or mixtures that can quickly go from perfect to ruined. Continuous stirring ensures even heat distribution, prevents sticking and clumping, and can help emulsify ingredients, leading to a smoother texture. Stirring continuously doesn't have to be a daunting task. Here are some tips to make it easier. Use the right tool. A wooden spoon or a silicone spatula usually works best, depending on the recipe. Keep a comfortable grip. This ensures your hand doesn't tire easily. Maintain a consistent rhythm. Find a stirring pace that's comfortable for you and stick to it. Stay focused. Continuous stirring is often required during critical cooking moments, so keep your attention on the task. Understanding the phrase, stir continuously, is more than learning language. It's about mastering a crucial culinary skill. Remember, this phrase is not just a set of words but a key to unlocking perfectly cooked dishes. So, the next time you come across it in a recipe, you'll know exactly what to do. Happy cooking and learning, and we hope this video has stirred up your enthusiasm for both language and cuisine.